Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to see some of the very useful resources that can be used for broken link hijacking, how expired links can be exploited. Alright, so first let's quickly see stored broken link hijacking. So this way the attacker can do impersonation of the company's account. It can be social media accounts or any other account that are pointing to different platforms like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc. Second way is external JS file hacking. Now, this is very simple. So let's assume the target web application has this particular code in which they are loading a script from example.com script.js. Now, for some reasons, the example.com is a cloud service and allows us to put our JS code over there. So this link is not working anymore. Let's assume that. So we are able to put our JS code over there, and when the target web application loads this JS, which is the JavaScript from the example.com, at that time it is going to load the attacker controlled malicious JS file. So this way we can take over the example.com, or we can take over the name of the same file which has been uploaded and control the JS file on example.edu, which is the target web application. This can also lead to information leakage. In many cases, old dead links which are supplied into the no referer or these types of parameters can easily be taken over. There are many instances when companies still link to expired analytics page, and this way if we take over the analytics page, the attacker can monitor traffic and possibly gather a lot of valuable information. Content hijacking can also be done, wherein we can hijack the malicious content and serve our own malicious content. Similarly, reflected broken link hijacking, in which all the parameters like href and source attribute contains the links which are dead, can easily be taken over. For example, if you see an example scenario over here, the cdn.example.com serves script.js, and if you are able to take over that, we are able to serve our malicious content or malicious JS file. It is kind of the same example that we have seen previously. So some of the tools to do this, obviously it will get very difficult to identify each link onto the target web application one by one to see which one of is working and which one is broken. We cannot do it manually by clicking on each link for the identification purposes. So for this, there's a very awesome tool called as broken link checker, which we are going to use right now to identify the broken links on any target web application. So let's quickly go on to that link, and you can see this is the tool. Now, to install this tool, you should have npm installed. You require Node.js. So you can install Node.js, and you can just copy paste this command into your terminal. Now, once you do this, you are ready to run broken link checker, or in short BLC. So let's copy this command and let's paste it into our terminal, and let's see what happens. So you can read more about the tool and the documentation from here, and you will be able to know a lot of more options that you can use. All right, so let's quickly copy this and paste it onto our terminal. So now you can see over here, the filter level is, filter level is 3, https broken.srsecure.xyz. So I will hit enter, and it will start identifying each link one by one. It will start identifying each link one by one onto the target web application, and will denote you if it is okay or if it is broken, as you can see over here. Now, one thing to notice over here is, let's say if this link is broken, as you can see over here, because there is no jcarousel.css file into the server, but we cannot take over this because this file is actually uploaded onto the main target subdomain or the main target server. In case you are able to take over broken.srsecure.xyz using subdomain takeover, then you can serve the malicious content. But for now, if there is no subdomain takeover vulnerability, you cannot serve the malicious content which is hosted on the server itself. So let's try to identify some links which are not hosted onto the same server but somewhere else. Here we can see we have identified a broken link which is on LinkedIn. Now we can take over this now because this is pointing to a LinkedIn profile which says take me over please. So yeah, we have made this vulnerable link onto the target server and it has successfully pointed out that this is a broken link which can be taken over. So I hope you guys understood how you can utilize this, and it will tell you all the broken links into any target. As you can see, this is the final finished version, and you can see these are all the broken links. We cannot take over this, but we can take over the LinkedIn one and we can report it to the target website. So thank you.